Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Kuning. God bless you and amping kanunay. Oh, sorry Kuya, we will not be able to be there kay kabaw na ka, wala tayong time. And hope you're having a good party and have a blast. Take care and God bless. Happy birthday again and enjoy your 60th birthday party. Bye!
To our first pamangkin, to my first nephew, we call him Jingoy. Happy 50th birthday. We are so grateful to the Lord for having you. And I pray that as you will celebrate your 50th birthday, that God will continue to bless you, protect you. It is my prayer that God will always shower you with good health and a happy life with your wife and with your children. Keep on serving the Lord. Our God is faithful. Our God is true. He is so loving and merciful. Thank you for being such a good nephew to all your aunties and uncle, and also a very good kuya to your siblings. Praying for a safe travel as you are preparing to go to the Philippines. And from us here in Hong Kong, we love you and we're excited to see you and your family. Happy birthday again, Jing. God bless you and we love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Kaning! Bitaw ka na. Hinaot nga, dungagan ka pa, o hataas nga ginabuhi. Maayo nga panglawas. O, sa pa, stay sa guwapo. Beer po mo. Bye, happy birthday!
Hi, Brother Kuning! Happy 60th birthday! Welcome to the club! Hala, abigyan na ko ning baong 30 years old ka pa ba? Sa apil na mamiapa, sumulay ka na mo, anay nga, senior na, pero still, fighting and nag-iat naman ko, Brother Kuning. Basta, happy ko sa imong birthday. Welcome again, welcome to the club, and more blessings to come.
Hello! Happy birthday, Kulkuning! Happy birthday! Asang red horse na?
Happy birthday, Tito! Happy 30th birthday! Pero times 2 di ay ito. Stay young in heart and in mind. Kay makalingaw kayo imuhang mga comments sa Facebook pati ang imuhang content. Hinaot na God will give you more strength and good health kay para makatilaw papunta retirement. Charot. Kay tungod no, syempre hard work, good. Ayun, dapat makatilaw kita retirement and more holidays to come for you. See you pohon.
Hi Manoy, happy birthday! Thank you for everything that you've done into my life. College days pa, ikaw katong gioperahan ko sa appendicitis. Ikaw jud gaalsan ako padulong sa taxi kay dili na ko kalakaw. Dili jud ko kalimutan na in my entire life hangtod at the end of my life. Manoy, ikaw ang igsuon na lalaki. Isa sa mga igsoon na lalaki na naghigugma sa ako, pag-ayo. Salamat kaayo, Manoy, sa tanan na imong gibot sa akong kinabuhi. Kabalo ka kung unsa na og si ate kabalupod. Thank you sa tanan-tanan na imong kaayo. And wish nako nga magpadayon ang inyong love ni ate hangtod ug mag-enjoy ka sa imong life, traveling anywhere in the world. Buglayan pa ka sa Ginoo, taas nga kinabuhi, and continue to live your life to the fullest, Manoy. And God bless you more and more. Happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Neng! Wish na ko nga daghan pang katuigan nga birthday nga maabot nimo o daghan kag panglawas, mayong panglawas sa Ginoo.
Happy birthday, Uncle Kuneng. I wish you all the best and I hope na happy kasi mong special day. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday, Uncle Kuneng. I wish you a year full of happiness. Bye!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi, Col! Happy birthday! Dili na magpalabig kaon og kuan. Kanang lami kay makayayay. God bless, Col! Bye!
Happy birthday, Uncle Kuning. I wish you good health, filled with love, joy, and all the things that make you smile. God bless!
Manoy, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. And amping kanunay sa health kay senior na. Happy birthday.
Wow! Happy birthday, Nikoni. This is for you. Once again has come your birthday. Once again that time is here. What a loving gift from Jesus He has given you one more year. Happy time, your birthday. Happy time is here. What a loving gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Happy birthday, Nikoning, and thank you for your life. And padayon gihapon nga si Aw. And dili na magsigig sapot-sapot kay tubo na ang mga edad. Thank you, Nikoning, sa imuhang life. And maora to siya. So, good health, wisdom, and more travels. And more vlog. Happy birthday, Noy, and God bless you.
Tineng, welcome to the club. Wish you good health and countless blessing. Enjoy your day. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hello, Kuning! Happy 60th birthday! I wish you more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and God bless. Napata ka na rin, Neng. Naanapulong tayo manok. Di na kita tani makabuhi. Kay haon naman ako daan. Again, happy birthday. I miss you. I miss you all.
Happy birthday. Akong wish sa imuha nga katagan pa ka og dugang pang katuigan sa imuhang kinabuhi. Ampo lang kanunay. Katagan tag maing lawas. Ayon, again, happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Tito Kuning. I wish you a good health and may the next chapter be even more brighter and beautiful. And thank you for everything.
At 1, 2, 3, go. Happy 60th birthday, Kuning. May your day be filled with joy, blessings, and good health. Thank you for everything. Again, happy birthday.
Hello, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya
Happy
Kuning.
birthday. Among greeting nimo. Paabot naman nimo ang among malipayong pagbati sa imong pagsaulog sa adlaw nimong natawhan. Labi ka mabungahon ug malipayon nga mga tuig nga moabot amo kang handom nga maayong panglawas kanunay.
Yes.
Panalanginan ka sa Dios kanunay ug unta manaa kanimo ang mga panalangin ug grasya. Amping kanunay diha, Kuya, ug sa imong pamilya. Among pangamuyo sa labang makagahom nga buligan ka sa walay hinapos nga grasya ug kalipay ug kahimsog sa panglawas.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday and more laag.
More laag. Bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Mang Koneng. Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. Once again, happy birthday, and we wish you all God bless and advance Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Papa Kuneng. I wish more blessings to come and good health and advance Merry Christmas and God bless.
Happy 60th birthday, Pakuning. Wishing you a wonderful birthday filled with joy, laughter, good health, and more blessings to come.
Pakuneng, happy birthday. More birthdays to come with you, and also amping bratanan, tanan lang Mama Arne, Jinjin, and Kuya Japit. Himingaw namin yung tanan dere, and advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year once again. Happy birthday. Amping.
Happy birthday Papa Kuneng. God bless and amping perming.
Maayong buntag, maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Kumusta? Ako lang bation si Bro. Advance happy birthday. Ang tatagay pagdaghang tuig, good health, magkita patapon, ang bakasyon mo, ang tag makalago ta makabanding. Salamat tong time na pagbakasyon ninyo kay medyo na talaga tayo nakabanding. So kumusta ang imong tuhod? Okay na ba? Tag mo galing na para maka lakaw-lakaw ta kung asa. Sige, maora to. Happy birthday and more birthday. God bless, God bless.
Hi guys. Ay, Manoy, happy birthday din ay 16 na. Ika 16 na di ay nimo mura dili 60, mura pa kag 50. Char. Bitaw, happy birthday Manoy. Naot nga kanang lipayon ka sa imong birthday. Kauban nila diyan na Tarle, ni Jinjin, ni Japit. Dayon, tagaan pa ka og taas pa ka kinabuhi sa Ginoo dayon. Kuan, happy lang ka sa imong birthday. Dili magpa-stress kay basta ma-stress ka nang dali lang ka matigulang. Once again, happy birthday. God bless you and advance Merry Christmas to all.
Brad, happy birthday. Wish ko kay panglawas, tagaan pag mga taas nga kinabuhi, ay kalimot Brad sa pinaskuhan. Hey Brad, amping mo tanan.
Happy 60th birthday, Neng. Welcome to the club. Enjoy your great day. Punta, tagan pa ka ni Lord o taas pa nga katuigan. Always good health. Enjoy lang, enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday in advance, Manoy.
Hello Philippines, hello world, and good day to England. Hi Manoy. Wala man mi kabalo no kung unsa ninyo makita ang video nga buhat para sa imong Manoy. Adlaw ba or gabi? Gagama mi ani Manoy para sa imong special day para madungog nimo unsa imong mga birthday wishes o message para sa imuhang ika-60 nga birthday. Wala man mi sa imuhang duol. So, mo na ning way nga celebrate mo sa mong birthday kapag buhat aning birthday wish o message para sa imuha. Ako message mo man no. Bisan pa man naglagyo ta, pero we are always connected and we hope you have the best day ever with your family and friends. We hope and pray that God bless you always, Manoy. Tagaan ka niya mayong paglawas kanunay o gihan ang takan kanunay uban sa imong pamilya ni Ate Arlene o mga bata. Akong message ni mo Manoy no, the bottom of my heart Manoy, in behalf ni Jojo sa mga bata, dako kayo kong pasalamat namo sa imuha tungod sa inyong dakong natabang namo ni Jojo Manoy, labi na ni Ate Arlene. Kay dili pa tungod ninyo ni Ate Arlene Manoy, dili si Jojo makatrabaho diha. So salamat salamat po kog dako sa Ginoo nga kamo mo gihimong instrumento para matabangan mi. Daghan kayong salamat Manoy ug Ate Arlene. Hinaot pa nga kamanoy hatagan kag taas nga kinabuhi ni Lord uban sa imong mga anak. Please pagyud unta mo ni Lord more blessings pa para daghan mong tawo igsuon nga matabangan dili lang sa basta kay daghan mong tawo matabangan kabalo mi unsa mo ka maayo tawo kay kabalo gyud mi mo tabang gyud mo sa dili maski dili parente. Salamat kayo sa tanan-tanan nga inyong natabang namo. Dili man wala man ako na istorya personally sa inyong Manoy, but pinasing-kasing gyud kong nagpasalamat sa inyong natabang tanan-tanan. Ate Arlene, thank you kayo. Thank you kayo sa tanan-tanan. Naupunta nga i-bless mo kanunay din i-guide mo ni Lord always. Ilayo mo sa tanang katalagman, iiway mo kanunay ng mga bata. Daghang salamat, more power, God bless. Happy birthday Manoy. We love you and we miss you all. Bye-bye. Ate Arlene Japit, Jinjin, thank you sa tanan. God bless.
Kumusta dong? Happy birthday. Wish na ko nimo punta tagaan pagka og daghang katuigan nga moabot sa imong kinabuhi uban sa imong pamilya.
Hi, happy birthday dong. 60 naman dahil karon no. Naot-utang atagat pag may panglawas. Oh. Advance Merry Christmas ng yung tanan dira.
Hi Papa Kuneng, on behalf of our little family, on behalf of Mama, on behalf of the Juanillos, we wish you a happiest birthday, happy 60th birthday. We're so proud we managed to make this video for you. Kasi apparently the only time you ever see us almost complete is in a birthday greetings compilation like this. We really tried our best to put everything together kahit super busy ng lahat. I'm literally recording this video right now here in Cebu because this might be the only gift we could pull off from afar. But please know, we celebrate you in spirit. You are loved by your whole family. Kahit minsan hindi halata. We wish you all the best in everything. Enjoy your day and sending you all our love here from the Philippines to the UK.
Kuya Tuming, happy birthday! Ikaw sa kinatibukan na congregation sa UCCP Maranding. Ang among pag-ampo, alam na nimo, dugang na makahulugan na kinabuhi, maayong panglawas, kalinaw sa buong kapamilya, o daghan pang